In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from the Robinhood investing app. If you want more videos just like this one, then make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. If you have any questions throughout this whole video, leave them down in the comments below and I will answer every single one of them for you. Now there's a couple of different ways to do this, so make sure you watch the whole video so you have an idea of what all of your options are. The first way to do it is go ahead and open up your Robinhood investing app account. And on the main screen, you need to first make sure that you actually have cash to withdraw. The easiest way to find out how much you have to withdraw is look at your buying power right there. So at this point, I have a little over $1,000 available to be withdrawn from my Robinhood investing account. Now, the first way to do this is you can go and hit the little cards down there at the bottom left. We're going to hit transfer, and we can transfer to our bank. So we'll go ahead and press on that. And then we're going to type in the amount that we want to withdraw from a Robinhood investing account to our specific bank account that we have linked with Robinhood. In this case, I have my checking account linked, and that's perfectly fine for me. So I'm going to type in the $500. I'm going to review it, submit it. And this is going to let me know it's going to take a few trading days to get withdrawn from my Robinhood account to my bank account. Now, because there is a few days in between when it's actually going to get deposited into your bank account, you can go ahead and cancel this if you really want to. But after you initiate this withdrawal, you need to make sure that it's actually initiated. It's kind of been approved. So the best way to do that is go ahead and hit done. If you're getting some value from this video, please do me a huge favor and smash that thumbs up button. We'll hit the X at the top left. And then in that same area where the card is, you can see the recent history. And I have withdrawal to spend. So it's pending right now, and there's the $500. So if I click into that, this is going to give me all of the details that I want to know. It should be available, it says October 6th at this point. So that's about, 7 days, roughly 7 days to get to my actual bank account. So that's the first way. The second way that you can do this is by actually using your Robinhood debit card. Now, when you get a Robinhood debit card, if you haven't signed up for one yet, go ahead and sign up for one. They'll send it to you for free as long as you have a Robinhood account. Now, you can either use this and swipe it at a store if you want to buy things, and that money will automatically be taken from that buying power area, right? The cash that you have available on your Robinhood investing app account. The other way is you can actually take this debit card and you can withdraw money from an ATM anywhere. So once you have this card, you set your own PIN, and just like any other debit card, you can take this to any ATM, it's free, and withdraw money from your Robinhood account instantly. So if you need the money right away, then you can go ahead and use this, and if you don't have it yet, I highly recommend picking up your Robinhood debit card because everyone technically has access to it as long as you have a Robinhood investing account. If you want one free stock from Webull worth up to $1,600, then use my link down in the description of this video to open up an account. Once you open up an account, all you have to do is deposit at least $100, and then you will get that one free stock from Webull worth up to $1,600. If you want one free stock from Robinhood worth up to $200, then use my link down in the description to open up a Robinhood account, and you'll get your free stock. Make sure to check out my other how-to investing videos right here to your left next.